Oh my god. It's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. Oh, I can't wait. It's here. Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in again. No check bag. Today we're reviewing a new product. I've been hunting around on the internet wanting another camera because we've got another big trip coming up. We're getting ready to leave town. Yep, more exciting things for you guys. And action cameras are it right now. Those of you who've been following anything that's going on in the action camera industry know that the big boy out there is kind of in trouble. So I've been playing around with other non-popular action cameras. I bought the Akaso EK7000 and was particularly surprised with it. Check my other review on that. They just had a new one come out. I had to update. I had to see what it was like. So today we're unveiling the wonderful, new, brand new, nobody's ever heard of it, the Akaso Brave 5. This is the latest thing out. This plays right along with what the big boys are doing. You've now got a unitized body, no longer need the big giant bulky waterproof dustproof case for anything down to 10 meters or 30 feet, which means snorkeling, swimming in the pool, chasing the kids, surfing, all those things. You can do it right out of the box just with the camera body as it is, completely sealed, waterproof. 4K, 1080p, 60 frames per second. Unbelievable. We're going to be able to do slow-mo. And here's the best part, folks. It's touchscreen. No more fumbling around with little tiny menus trying to figure out what you're doing. Full 2-inch touchscreen on the back. So, let's do it. Let's find out what's in here. There's the camera right there. It'll peel off. Yeah, we don't need you. Go away. All kinds of stuff. Oh boy. It's like a Christmas stocking. Okay, nobody reads those. We do have the waterproof case just in case you want to go down below 10 meters. You want to do some serious diving, you can still bolt it up. Be totally waterproof with that. We got a couple batteries. We got all kinds of mounting parts. Helmet mounts, curved helmet mount, a couple of bolts, 90-degree transition, offset, looks like a wrist strap. That is a, oh, it's a helmet strap. Okay. And handlebar mount. Conspicuously missing out of the box is any kind of a drop-in charger for the batteries. I actually messaged the manufacturer and they don't have it out yet. They expect to have the drop-in charger out soon. They'll be incorporating into the box with all the new models. I'm not sure what they're going to do with me, maybe send me one in the aftermath, but they've been very responsive. All of my queries back to the manufacturer have been answered even before I got delivery of the product from Amazon. This is an unbelievable thing, folks. Half the price of the big boy's latest camera, more features. And then to get all the features in this camera, you're 4 times the price in the big boy's camera. And I'm not sure the big boy's going to be around in another month or two. If you've checked their stock lately, it's pretty far down. This is a game changer in the action camera industry. I think this is where it's going. It's going to get away from the one big bad brother of all cameras, and the competitors are taking it. Even the next closest competitor, Yi, can't get what you've got in this camera for less than $300. This camera's under $100, and that's phenomenal. I don't have to worry about losing this thing, breaking it, dropping it off a cliff, even though I'm going to take extra caution and use the safety straps and the mounts. All the accessories here are compatible backwards with the EK7000, the Brave 4, and the other models, except the batteries. They are proprietary to this new model, and I can't wait to start getting extra because I carry 4 batteries and a drop-in charger for all of my stuff. You can charge the phone through the cord, through the built-in waterproof door. It's really simple. Lock or unlock. There's the door. Battery drops right in there. SIM card goes in here. You have an HDMI port and a USB port. I wish it was USB-C, but it's not. But yeah, oh well. Eventually everything will get changed over. I've still got a lot of things that are mini USB, and I can make it work. There's just one extra cable in my bag. But this is it, folks. Now we got to take it outside and play with it. You know the routine. Strap it to the dog, strap it to the drone, strap it to the wife, put it on the back of the car. I don't care. We're going to do something with it. We're going to have fun. See you outside. That was fun. Couple things I forgot to talk about. Image stabilization. You saw it in the video. Some things were a little shaky. But that's my fault because I didn't strap this thing down very far on the helmet. And the whole time I could hear the camera flopping around. I got to try that again with the glue down mount or something a little more stable because I'm not blaming the camera. The few scenes where I could see the scenery moving a lot, the camera image stabilization was actually doing a good job. And again, under $100 you got image stabilization. It's amazing. You need to pay a lot more than the other big boy cameras to get that. The other thing I forgot to talk about, this uses a 1/4-20 mount, which is really great because you don't have to constantly play around with the universal mounts. This fits right on the end of a selfie stick, a camera tripod, any number of accessories, which for me as a travel photographer is everything because I base everything on 1/4-20. I don't even know anything as 3/8. I don't like playing around with the universals, but I do use them, especially with the underwater stuff. I'm going to probably use the case for going snorkeling and things like that just because it does have the other mount, and I'd probably be easier to put filters on here for underwater diving, even though I don't have to. But it's nice to know I can run around, the dust, the rain, the sleet, the whatever's not going to get in here. I'm bouncing around on the bike, just taking all those trails, blow it off, and it was good to go. I'm very impressed with this camera. I'm going to recommend this to everybody. Under $100, available on Amazon at the link below. I did not receive this camera or any promotion or anything from Akaso. I bought this on my own. I will disclaim, though, if you buy through my link, I get a small commission from Amazon as an Amazon partner. Once again, best action camera for value on the market right now. Get one. Be sure to subscribe, and as always, smash that like button. We want to know how you think about this video. We want to know how you think about everything we do. Write us a comment down below. Let us know how the video went. Let us know what you thought of the product. Let Akaso know what you thought of the product. Tell me what you thought of my new haircut. Also, tune into our blog, www.nocheckbag.com, for our written daily blog that isn't always daily. And check us out on Twitter and photos on Instagram. Each of those social media platforms gets something unique. So you're going to see videos here. You're going to see great photos on Instagram and all of our travel tips on Twitter. Thanks for tuning in. See you in a few weeks in some foreign country. Who knows where.